Using a SPA. A network controller will discuss the need to issue a SPA with the train driver. If a SPA is to be used, it may be issued electronically. The SPA will be delivered in a proposed state, represented by a grey border. F1 is greyed out until the SPA's details have been viewed. To view the SPA's details, press the down arrow. Special instructions will provide additional information. Return to the proposed SPA by pressing the left arrow. F1 is now available and can be selected to accept the SPA. Or you can reject it by pressing F2. A confirmation window will be provided. To confirm SPA acceptance, press the tick, or press the cross to cancel the acceptance process. An hourglass is displayed while order acceptance is processed. The SPA's border will turn orange when processed. To fulfill the SPA, press F3. A confirmation window will be provided. You will notice a phone next to the Confirm button. This indicates fulfillment will initiate a call to a network controller. To confirm SPA fulfillment, press the tick, or press the cross to cancel the fulfillment process. An hourglass is displayed while SPA fulfillment is processed. Once fulfilled, a blank order will be displayed. Press the cross to return to the ICE home screen. This completes the Using a SPA Electronic Authorities module.